Hello guys, come back. I'm going to show you here. Actually build a table on Figma first. So what is going on? So we told before that we can start to create a table, but here we build a table and it's going to be the same. So I'm gonna repeat it again. So I go here in the C as plugin that is called table creator or Tablify. Table creator is very good. Create table, and then as you can see, this will be about to create a new template with a certain headers, footers with it. And here we are. You can start to control X and then control A all of them and remove it. And this will absolutely be the only part that you will start to extract from them. And this is really this form as a table, and you can start to type a tickets as you wish inside it. And that is all guys about to understand how this really helpful.